Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.3 question number 2. Consider the following parallelograms. Find the values of the unknowns x, y and z. Here you see I will find these values. Here you see this is given as 90 degree. This value is 90 degree. Here it is given that this value is 90 degree. This one is 90 degree. Now you see this angle will be equal to this angle because these are vertically opposite angle. That means this is also 90 degree. The value of x is equal to 90 degree. Right? Now you see this is a triangle. This one is a triangle. And you know that the angles, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is 90. This is 30. That is 120. That means the y will be 60 degree. Y will be 60 degree. Right? Y is equal to 60. Right? In this way, you got the value x as 90 degree, y as 60 degree, right? Y as 60 degree. And the value of z, you see this one. Since this is a parallelogram, this is a, if we give the name here, A, B, C, D. Suppose these are two given lines BC and AD, and BD is the transversal. Since this line is parallel to this line, therefore angle y is equal to angle z. That means since this is 60 degree, the value of z will also be 60 degree. Right? Because these are alternate interior angles. Because these are alternate interior angles. Right? I will write in this way. X is equal to, here you see x. The value will solve in this way. You see here, you are solving in this way, that solution is in this way. Here you see that x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 degree. What is the reason? The reason is this is vertically opposite angle. This is vertically opposite angle. Here you see again that is x. X is equal to 90 degree because this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, it is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. This is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, this is 90 degree. Now, you consider this triangle. This is suppose D. This is suppose D. This. Now, in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, BDC, in triangle B, D, C, angle X plus angle Y plus angle, this angle is equal to 180 degree because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? Now we'll find the value of Y, that is X is 90 degree, X plus X plus 30 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Because we know that the sum of the angles, the reason is the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. The sum of the angles of the angles, the sum of the angles angles of a triangle. So the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Right? Now the value of x we got 90 degree. Therefore 90 degree plus 30 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now the value of 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree. 120 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Or you can say y is equal to y, or you can say y is equal to y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, and that is y is equal to 60 degree. Therefore we got the value of y is equal to 60 degree. Here see, we have taken y as 60 degree, right? Therefore we got this value. Now we take two intersecting lines, two lines, that is BC and AD, BC and AD are parallel lines, and BD we have taken another name, that is this angle may be ABCD. This is D, the ABCD E. Suppose this is E, angle E, CDE. This is, let us take this one as E. Let us take this as E. This is E, right? Now BC and AD are parallel lines, and BE is the transversal, and BE is the transversal, B is the transversal, BC is the transversal, B is the transversal. Therefore, we can say that angle Y is equal to angle Z, and that is equal to 60 degree, because these are alternate interior angles. Because the reason is alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles. Again we are repeating. Here you see, this is x, this angle is given as 90 degree, this symbol is 90 degree, right? Therefore since the value of x is equal to 90 degree, because this is vertically opposite angle, right? In triangle BDC, B, D and C, you see x plus 30 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 90 plus 30 plus y is equal to 180 degree. And why? Because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore we are getting 120 plus y 180, or y is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Therefore the value of y is equal to 60 degree. Now since this is a parallelogram, AD, BC and AD are BC and AD AE. not BC and AD. We change the name here. Therefore, BC and we can write here as BC and AE, not AD, AE. BC and AE are parallel lines. BC and AE are parallel lines, and B is the transversal. Therefore, angle Y is equal to angle Z, that is 60 degree, because this is alternate interior angles, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.